5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Everyone. This is Site Engineer Mark James O. Angeles, under the supervision of Engineer Pukdang. I'm with Safety Officer General Ferrer. Before we talk about our site, let's discuss about some details of our company. Remark Steel Structure Corporation is located at third floor, room 305 to 306, Mercedes Square 2 Luis, Mercedes Avenue, Pasig, Metro Manila. Remark has vision to be the most reliable and innovative supplier and the premier service and solution provider in the Southeast Asia steel building industry. Remark finishes various projects on different provinces and cities here in the Philippines, namely Zambales, Pampanga, Tarlac, Tagaytay, Bulacan, Rizal, Pangasinan. Remark is like an eagle. Its eyes is focused. These past years, we can say our company is slowly rising and making its own name famous because of its efficiency. And now let's talk about our daily activities. Every morning we have toolbox meeting, we have prayer, and we always ensure the PPE of our workers. Always check for the hard hat, vest, long sleeves, uniform, long pants, safety shoes, and harness if they will going to work at heights. All right, let's discuss about the detail of our site. Our project name is Negros Occidental Convention Center, located at Ginhalaran, Silay City, Negros Occidental, with a dimension of 62.4-meter wide by 70.6-meter long, with an area of more than 4,400 meters squared. Most of our manpower was locally hired here at Negros Occidental, and our first column was erected last July 24 and finished the erection last September 19, 2025, with a 57 days span of erection.